What's going on, guys? David here with another Raceland tech tip. Today we're talking sway bar end links, specifically the ones that are included with some of the Raceland coilover kits. Now, all of our end links are going to be adjustable in length. There isn't going to be a magic length that you need to adjust them to for your specific vehicle, as the length is going to be determinant on your ride height and your vehicle setup. But your main purpose with adjusting the end links is to make sure that there's no contact from the sway bar or the end link to any other suspension or driveline components. So super easy to adjust. Once they are installed, we have designed them specifically to have one of the ball joint ends reverse threaded, so that when they're bolted up, you can actually just put an open-ended wrench on this center post section and twist it in either direction, and that will either lengthen or shorten the overall length of the end link. And then once you get it set in place, you'll simply spin the jam nuts into place against the center post and twist them in tight to lock them in place. Now, it's super important on that reverse threaded end to make sure that when tightening it, you're going the opposite direction to make sure it remains tight against that center post and doesn't come loose when driving. The other thing is that these do become or can come unthreaded from the center post. You're going to want to make sure when you install them that you got a good portion of threading inside the center post to make sure that the end link remains strong and rigid. Having too little can cause undue risk of potentially damaging that or having that come unthreaded. So if you guys have any questions regarding the end links that we include with our kits, send us an email, give us a call. We'll see you on the next one.